In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Discord on Xbox. So the first thing you would need to do is to sign into your Xbox Live profile. Make sure you're on the Xbox Live profile that you would like to use Discord with. Once on the dashboard, select the main Xbox button on your controller. From here, you want to move over once, twice, until you get to Parties and Chats. Here in this menu you can see Try Discord Voice on Xbox today. This is brand new at the point of me making this video. Select this. If you don't have this in your menu, remember you can update your Xbox. There will be a video up in the cards up above to show you how to update your Xbox. Here this reads Try Discord Voice on Xbox today. Link your Xbox console and Discord accounts so friends can see what game you're playing and decide to jump in. Once you've connected accounts, voice chat directly through your Xbox with anyone on Discord across mobile, desktop and web. All your friends and communities in one place. You can now connect to Discord voice from your Xbox and talk with your friends on PC, web and mobile. To get started, scan the QR code with your mobile device or use a mobile device to visit, and then there is a link being given. I'm going to use the QR barcode and I'm also going to show you what I'm doing on mobile to make that next stage even clearer for you when you're following along. Once you've scanned the QR barcode or entered the URL, it will take you to this site. This will say, get the Discord app, and 2, link your Xbox account. I don't have the Discord app yet, so I'm going to take you through that stage. Here I'm going to download the Discord application. Open your Discord and log in using your Discord login details. If you don't yet have a Discord account, you can select register. Discord is asking me if I would like to enable push notifications. This will give me notifications on screen of my phone when using Discord or have the application in the background. I'm going to select maybe later. I also have the option to find my friends or allow contacts to add me. I'm going to deselect this. And now I have my Discord on my mobile phone. From here, go back to the browser so we can finish up the setup process. Now let's select link your Xbox account. Here, select get started. This reads, first let's sign in with Xbox. We'll use this to display your Xbox gamer tag and what games you're playing. You will be redirected to, and then it gives the loginlive.com. This is very important and very interesting. When you sign into your Xbox account, in the top left hand corner of the screen, there will be displaying an email. This is the email account that you need to access at this point. If you don't know the password to your email of your Xbox Live account, you can always recover this via Outlook. Right now, I'm going to enter my details and log in to my email that is connected to my Xbox Live account. At this point, Discord is asking for access to your Xbox Live profile information, game data, and more. You can read through this if you're not sure, and you can always double check before pressing yes or agree. You can also select no, but there are also the terms and conditions, privacy statements, and you can also select to show details. I'm going to select yes to continue. Awesome, this is the next step. Xbox wants to access your Discord account. So now Xbox is asking for access to your username, your avatar, your banner, access to third-party connections that you may have on your Discord account, know what servers you're in, read member information, nicknames, avatars, roles, etc. for servers you belong to, connect a voice on your behalf, and see others who are in any voice channels or calls, and see information about your direct messages and basically your inbox. The last one says, paint a happy little tree. I'm not sure if that's just there for humour or if any of you guys can add any insight to this. I'm happy with what I've read so far. Of course, you can also select the privacy policy or the terms of service. I'm going to select authorize and continue. You're all set up. Head over to your voice channel to try it out. So now we've done most of the setup, I'm going to show you how this works or what this looks like on your Xbox profile once you've completed this stage. At this point, you will now be able to chat with your friends directly from your Xbox to Discord. So you'll be able to use Discord via your Xbox. Here's how you check to see if both your Discord and your Xbox Live account are now connected. From your menu here, when you select the Xbox Home button, you want to move over to Chats. Here, I want you to select New Chat. From New Chat, I want you to select Find Someone. In Find Someone, there is an option to select Link Accounts to Find Friends. Select this, it will take you to this menu where you have your Discord that is now connected to your Xbox account. You also have the option to show your Discord on your profile. I'm going to do that here. So now this will be showing on my Xbox Live profile. You can also link Facebook, Reddit, Steam, Twitch, Twitter, and more. If you have any questions, don't forget you can hit me up in the comment section down below, but you can also share your experiences. How are you getting on with using Discord on Xbox? Currently, at the moment of me making this video, it's in the beta. So sharing your experiences will be extremely helpful to the community that I'm building right here on YouTube. And don't forget, you can also become a part of this community right here on YouTube by hitting that subscribe button. And I also have memberships available where you can do a lot more with me right here on YouTube, and we can interact in other ways with this content. It's extremely cool, well worth checking out. Now with that said, you should see some more content on screen right now, including the Xbox Updates playlist, where I share other helpful Xbox videos and more. Check that playlist out. I also have some more content that you'd be interested in. Check those out. And remember, you are awesome. Thank you for watching.